I'm Olivia Vita with this NYIT update for September. Government officials and experts in the field of cybersecurity gathered at New York Institute of Technology's auditorium on Broadway to discuss online vulnerability. Experts addressed the growing need to protect individuals, businesses, and organizations against cyber attacks and talked about the latest trends and developments in the industry. In celebration of Fashion's Night Out, NYIT's Auditorium on Broadway hosted a free screening of the September issue, a documentary about Vogue magazine editor-in-chief Anna Wintour, and publication of the magazine's landmark September 2000 issue, which weighed in at more than 5 pounds. And NYIT students are taking part in the Intrepid Aircraft Restoration Pavilion competition. Teams of students will be redesigning a hangar on the deck of the Intrepid where aircraft would be stored. And they'll have to stay within a $1 million budget and use sustainable products and renewable energy like wind or solar power in their design. That's it for this edition of NYIT. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. I'm Olivia Vita.